Join us for a Portland urban walk along Southeast Division Street, where you'll find delicious ice cream, a sample of Portland's food carts, the requisite occasional quirky mural, and overall a high concentration of quirky independent shops and restaurants. If you enjoyed this video, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more adventures in the Pacific Northwest. In today's urban walk, we'll be starting at the west end of Division Street's main commercial district at Southeast 12th Avenue and walking east nearly 40 blocks until Southeast 50th Avenue. To get here for your walk, consider taking one of the new FX2 express buses, which run every 12 minutes on Division Street between downtown Portland and Gresham. Division is a commercial street, but it's bordered by walkable residential neighborhoods. I'd recommend taking a detour to explore a residential street or two while you're there. I started out with a quick walk through the curiously geometrical Ladd's Addition development just north of Division. The diagonal tree-lined streets in this set of blocks are filled with cool-looking old homes. Division Street borders Ladd's Addition along the south side, and it's here that you'll find the delightful Books with Pictures comic store, a cluster of food carts, and the pricey but delicious New Seasons Market grocery store. Division Street in general is a little more upscale than nearby Hawthorne Boulevard. We like to say that Hawthorne has a hippie vibe and Division has more of a hipster vibe. For a similar walking tour of Hawthorne, check out our video link in the upper right corner. The Bollywood Theater is a favorite Indian restaurant, and adjacent D Street Village has a mix of food, offices, and apartments. Check out this cool outdoor seating outside D Street Village. Just down the street, you'll come across Salt and Straw, our go-to for ice cream. They have a rotating menu and a permanent menu of favorite flavors. Some of the flavors are rather adventurous, like strawberry honey balsamic with black pepper, but others are definitely delicious, like this gingerbread cookie dough Brian and I split last time. The Division District officially spans two neighborhoods, Southeast Portland's Richmond and Hosford Abernethy neighborhoods. You probably won't notice when you walk from one to the other. The end of our walking tour is Southeast 50th Avenue, where you'll find the small Green Zebra grocery store. I'd recommend crossing 50th and stopping for a snack at the food cart pod near the corner. Thanks for joining us for a Portland urban walk down Southeast Division Street. Remember to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time.